Hey, sushi lovers! Today, we're shaking up the sushi game with a fun and easy twist, Shrimp Sushi Cups. I'm your quirky quest, and I'm excited to guide you through this DIY sushi adventure that's perfect for sushi enthusiasts of all levels. Before we roll up our sleeves, let's gather our ingredients. 14 jumbo shrimp, peeled, deveined and defrosted. Pinch of salt. 1/2 cup cream cheese, softened to room temp. 2 tablespoon mayo. 4 teaspoons soy sauce. Dash of sriracha or any hot sauce. 1 cup rice, such as jasmine, sushi, or short grain rice. 4 sheets of nori. Spicy mayo sauce for garnish. Chopped fresh chives, for garnish. Preheat the oven to 400 F 200 degrees Celsius. Pat the shrimp dry with paper towels. Cut the shrimp into small cubes, making sure the cubes are more or less equal in size. Add the cubed shrimp to a bowl with a pinch of salt. In a separate bowl, add the softened cream cheese, mayo, soy sauce, and sriracha, and mix well. Pour this sauce over the shrimp and combine well. Rinse the rice and cook it according to the instructions on the package. While the rice cooks, cut 2 sheets of nori into 6 equal-sized squares, approximately 3.5-inch squares. The squares should fit into a standard muffin tin with overhang on the sides for easy removal. Add 1 tablespoon of the cooked rice onto each of the 6 nori squares and press the rice into the nori. This will help soften the nori and make it easy to place in the muffin tin. If the rice is sticky, try dipping your fingers in some water. The water will prevent the rice from sticking to your hands if it does. Place each nori and rice square into a muffin tin insert. Add a tablespoon of the cubed, marinated shrimp on top of each rice cup. Bake for about 15 minutes. Remove the muffin tin from the oven, let cool slightly, and then transfer the sushi cups to a plate. Garnish with spicy mayo and chives. Our DIY shrimp sushi cups are now ready to be served. Arrange them on a platter and serve them. If you're ready to impress your friends and family with these adorable and delicious shrimp sushi cups, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more sushi-inspired creations. Enjoy making and savoring these bite-sized delights, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy sushi making!